In a triangle ABC, R2 plus R3 into cot of P plus C by 2 is equals to. What is this value? The options are A plus B plus C, A, B, C. Now we have to find this value. So first I am finding the value of R2 plus R3 here. R2 plus R3. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. That is the formula. And R3 is equals to delta by S minus C. Now taking LCM, here delta is the common. So taking common, 1 by remaining values are 1 by S minus B plus 1 by S minus C. And this is equals to delta into taking LCM S minus C plus S minus C S minus B by S minus B into S minus C, and this is equals to S plus S 2S minus B minus C by S minus B into S minus C into delta, and this is equals to delta into 2S minus B minus C. 2S value is equals to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C minus B minus C, that is A by remaining value is A by S minus B into S minus C. So this is the value of R2 plus R3, and the second value cot of P plus C by 2. Cot of P plus C by 2 is equals to tan A by 2. Since given that ABC is a triangle, so ABC is a triangle means cot of B plus C by 2 value tan A by 2, and tan of A by 2 formula S minus B into S minus C by delta. This is the formula for tan of A by 2. Now we are substituting these two values in the given expression. So R2 plus R3 into cot of B plus C by 2, and this is equals to R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3 value delta into A by S minus B into S minus C into cot of B by 2. Cot of B plus C by 2. Cot of B plus C by 2 is equals to S minus B into S minus C by delta. Now this is cancelled. This is cancelled. So answer is equals to A. That is the second option. If the vectors AB bar is equal to I plus 3j plus 4k, AC bar is equal to 5I plus j plus 2k are two sides of a triangle ABC whose centroid is G, then what is the magnitude of AG bar? So given that one triangle is given here, this is a given triangle ABC, and also given that AB bar is equals to I plus 3j plus 4k and AC bar is equals to 5I plus j plus 2k. And also given that whose centroid is G, that is centroid of this triangle is equals to G, then what is the magnitude of AG bar? So we want the magnitude of this part, we want the length of this part AG, that is the given question. So first this is the median, and the point here clearly the point D is the midpoint of B comma C. So therefore AD bar is equals to, here we are taking the position vector of B is AB bar and the position vector of C is AC bar. Therefore AD bar, the position vector of D is AD bar and the coordinates of AD bar is equals to, and the point AD bar is equals to AB bar plus AC bar by 2. Since D is the midpoint of B comma C, so AD bar is equal to AB bar plus AC bar by 2. That is AB bar plus AC bar. That is I plus 5I, 6I plus 3J plus J, 4J plus 4K plus 2K, 6K by 2. Now this is equals to 3I plus 2J plus 3K. Now this is AD bar vector. Now first we take the magnitude of AD bar, magnitude of the median, that is mod AD bar is equals to, we take the magnitude value, that is 9 plus 4 plus 9 is equals to 222. 3 square, 2 square, 2 square, 9 plus 4 plus 222. Therefore the total length of AD bar is equal to 22. Then what is the length of AG bar? So AG bar is equals to, here the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That is, therefore AG bar magnitude is equals to, this part length is equal to 2. 2 by total length is equal to 2 plus 1. 2 by 2 plus 1 into root 22. That is 2 by 3 into root 22. This is the magnitude of AG bar. 2 by 3 into root 22. That is the first option. The point of intersection of lines represented by R bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k plus lambda into 2 I plus 3j plus 4k, and R bar is equal to minus I minus 3j plus 7k plus mu into I plus 2j minus k is. Now we have to find the point of intersection of these two lines. So to find the point of intersection of the lines, first we have to convert the given vectors are in the form of xi plus yj plus zk, that is I component value plus j component value plus k component value. So first we write the first equation as R bar is equals to I plus 2 lambda I, taking I common here, then I into 1 plus 2 lambda. This is the first value. Next we are writing the j component. 2 plus 3 lambda, 2j plus 3 lambda j, taking j common, that is j into 2 plus 3 lambda plus k into, next last we are writing the k component, this is minus k, this is 4 lambda k, that is taking k common, remaining value minus 1 plus 4 lambda. Now this is the first equation. Now coming to the second equation, similarly we can take the second equation as also in this form, that is r bar is equals to minus I plus mu I, taking I common, I into minus 1 plus mu, here the remaining value minus 1 and the remaining value plus mu, plus j into minus 3 plus 2 mu, minus 3 plus 2 mu plus k into last value k into 7 minus mu, 7 minus mu. Now these are the given equations. Now to find the point of intersection, first we equate the components of ijk's, that is I component is equal to I component, j component is equal to j component and k component is equal to k component. So first by equating the I components here, 1 plus 2 lambda is equals to minus 1 plus mu. Next value, by equating the j components, 2 plus 3 lambda is equals to minus 3 plus 2 mu. Now it is enough to take these two equations to find the values of either lambda or mu. So we will leave the third value. Now from this first equation, we can convert this line as 2 lambda minus mu, 2 lambda minus mu, 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Just we are taking this equation as like that, converting all the terms to one side. 2 lambda minus mu plus 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to 0. Now coming to the second equation, 3 lambda, this plus 2 mu, which is changed as minus 2 mu plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 0. Now by using these two equations, we can take any one of the values, either lambda or mu. Now I am finding the value of lambda only. Lambda is equals to find the value of lambda, just we are taking the point of intersection concept, that is lambda is equals to minus 1 into 5, minus 5, 2 plus 2 minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus of 1 is plus 4 by 2 into 3. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 1 into 3, plus 3, that is minus 1 by minus 1 equals to plus 1. Therefore the value of lambda is equals to 1. So now we are substituting this lambda is equal to 1 value in this equation. That is, just we are taking lambda is equal to 1 in this equation. That is r bar is equals to I into 1 plus 2, 3 plus j into 2 plus 3, 5 plus k into minus 1 plus 4, 3. That is point of intersection r bar is 3i plus 5j plus 3k, which is the first option. Next problem, if A, B, C, D are points whose position vectors are I plus j plus k, 4a minus j plus 2k, 5i plus j, 7i plus 2j plus 3k respectively, then the projection of AB bar on CD bar. We want to find the projection of AB bar on CD bar. The formula for finding the projection of AB bar on CD bar is AB bar dot CD bar by mod CD bar. Now we have to find this value now. So first we are taking the given vectors as OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar, since these are the position vectors of ABCD. So the first value is OA bar, second value OB bar, next value OC bar and last value OD bar. These are the given vectors. So first taking the value of AB bar. AB bar is equals to OB minus OA, that is 4a minus I, 3i minus j, minus 2k, 2k minus k plus k. This is AB bar value. Next is CD bar is equal to OD bar minus OC bar, that is 7i minus 5i, 2i, 2j minus j plus 3k. This is CD bar value. Now therefore the projection of AB bar and CD bar is AB bar dot CD bar by mod CD bar, and this is equals to AB bar 3i minus 2j plus k by dot 2i plus j plus 3k by mod CD bar, mod 2i plus j plus 3k, and this is equals to, taking the dot product, 3 2s are 6, 2 into 1 minus 2, 3 into 1 plus 3 by square root of 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, root 14. This is 4 plus 3, 7 by root 14, and this is equals to root 7 into root 7 by root 7 into root 2, which is equals to square root of 7 by 2. That is the last option.